Imagine AI tools that can write your notes, summarize books, create presentations, and even help you study faster. Today, I'm showing you the best AI tools every student should know. Welcome to AI Tech Orbit, where we explore the latest AI tools and future technology. I'm so excited to share these game changers with you. And make sure to watch until the end because the last AI tool can turn your notes into full presentations automatically. You don't want to miss that one. First on our list is Notion AI. This tool has completely transformed how students manage their academic life by centralizing everything in one smart workspace. Notion AI helps students create notes and summaries instantly. Instead of writing long notes manually, you can leverage its power to generate content from scratch. You can ask Notion AI to generate comprehensive study notes from your lectures, concise summaries of long readings, and even organized task lists to keep you on track. The beauty of it is the seamless integration. It's not just a chatbot, it's built right into your documents, making the transition from research to writing effortless. To get started, simply open Notion, click the Ask AI button, or press space on a new line and type in your specific topic or request. For example, you could say, summarize these biology notes into 5 key points, and watch as it extracts the most important information in seconds. The biggest benefit for students is time saving. You can spend less time organizing and more time actually learning and internalizing the material. It also helps with writer's block. If you're struggling to start an essay, Notion AI can provide a solid outline or a first draft to get your creative juices flowing. Beyond just writing, it can translate your notes into different languages and fix spelling or grammar errors with a single click. It's like having a personal editor. So, if you want a tool that grows with your academic needs, Notion AI is a must-have in your student toolkit for 2026. Give it a try. Next up, we have the legendary ChatGPT. While you've likely heard of it, the way students are using it in 2026 has become much more sophisticated and effective. This AI tool can help students with homework, complex explanations, and writing essays. Think of it as a tutor that's available 24/7 to answer any question. One of its best features is simplifying complex topics. You can ask questions like, explain quantum physics in simple terms, and get a clear, understandable response. It's also incredible for brainstorming. Whether you need ideas for a science project or a unique angle for your history paper, ChatGPT can generate dozens of options. Did you know you can also use it for feedback? Paste your essay draft and ask it to find weak arguments or suggest ways to improve your conclusion. It's incredibly helpful. However, a quick word of advice. Use ChatGPT as a learning aid, not a replacement for your own work. Always verify the information it provides to ensure accuracy. For language students, ChatGPT is a goldmine. You can practice conversations in French, Spanish, or any language you're learning, receiving instant corrections. And for the STEM students, it can help solve and explain step-by-step mathematical problems, helping you understand the why behind the answer. ChatGPT remains one of the most versatile tools for any student. If you haven't explored its full potential yet, now is the time to start. It's a game changer. Moving on to our third tool, ElevenLabs. This is specifically for those who prefer audio learning or need to multitask while studying. It's quite revolutionary. This AI tool converts text into incredibly realistic voice. Students can use it to listen to their notes while commuting, exercising, or even just relaxing. Creating study audio allows you to reinforce your learning through a different medium. Hearing the information read back to you can help with memorization and focus. It's also great for improving learning for those with dyslexia or other reading challenges. It makes text-heavy subjects much more accessible and less intimidating. You simply paste your textbook chapter or your own notes into the platform, choose a voice that you find pleasant to listen to, and hit generate. It's that simple. With a wide variety of high-quality voices and accents, you can customize your listening experience to what works best for your personal study habits. It's very flexible. Imagine being able to read 3 chapters of your history book while you're preparing dinner or at the gym. ElevenLabs makes this a reality for students today. Plus, with its multi-language support, you can even listen to texts in foreign languages to improve your pronunciation and listening comprehension. It's a dual-purpose tool. ElevenLabs is truly the gold standard for text-to-speech. If you haven't tried audio-based studying yet, this is the perfect tool to get you started. Give it a listen. Our fourth tool is Canva AI. Canva has evolved from a simple design tool into a powerful AI-driven platform that makes creating visuals easier than ever for students. Canva AI helps students create stunning presentations, posters, and infographics with minimal effort. It's perfect for those who don't have a background in design. One of the coolest features is Magic Design. You simply type your topic, and Canva generates a professional design for you in seconds. It's like having a designer on call. You can also use AI to remove backgrounds from images, generate unique AI art for your projects, and even rewrite text to match the tone of your presentation. The drag-and-drop interface combined with AI suggestions means you can focus on your content while Canva handles the aesthetics. It's incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're working on a group project, a personal resume, or a social media post for a club, Canva AI has a template and an AI tool to help you stand out. It's also highly collaborative, allowing you and your classmates to work on the same design in real time, with AI helping to keep the style consistent across all pages. And don't forget the video features. Canva AI can help you edit short video clips for your presentations, adding animations and transitions that look professional. In 2026, Canva AI is an essential tool for any student who wants to make a great impression with their visual work. It's time to level up your designs. Finally, we reached the tool many students are secretly using to save hours of work, Gamma AI. This is the peak point of student productivity tools in 2026. Gamma AI can convert your notes or even just a simple topic into full professional presentations automatically. It's almost like magic how fast it works. Just type a topic and it generates slides instantly, complete with images and layout. You no longer have to worry about formatting or finding the right pictures. You can then easily customize the content, change themes, or add more detail where needed. Gamma AI does 90% of the heavy lifting for you in just seconds. It's the ultimate tool for last-minute assignments or when you want to create a high-quality presentation without the stress. It's a literal lifesaver. So, these were the best AI tools every student should know. From Notion AI to Gamma AI, these tools are designed to help you excel and save time. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to AI Tech Orbit for more AI tools and technology updates. And comment below which AI tool you would use the most. See you next time.